Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will discuss DTC P0687, which refers to the AF sensor, Sensor 1, heater power source circuit short to power in the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. The AF sensor is responsible for measuring the air-fuel ratio in the engine. This data is vital as it helps the engine control module, ECM, adjust fuel injection and maintain optimal emissions. The sensor is located upstream in the exhaust system, typically near the engine or in the exhaust manifold area. When there is a short circuit in its heater power source circuit, it can lead to performance issues or increased emissions. Our goal is to understand the error, its causes, and the troubleshooting steps necessary to rectify it. DTC P0687 indicates that there is a malfunction in the AF sensor heater power source circuit, specifically caused by a short to power. The AF sensor, or air-fuel ratio sensor, measures the proportion of air to fuel in the exhaust gases. Its role is crucial for ensuring the engine runs efficiently, optimizing fuel usage, and minimizing harmful emissions. The heater within the AF sensor helps it reach the desired operating temperature quickly, enhancing its performance. In the Honda Civic, the sensor is typically installed in the exhaust manifold area close to the engine to accurately monitor the exhaust gases. A failure in the heater circuit can lead to false readings, affecting the vehicle's performance and emissions control systems. Several potential causes can lead to the trigger of DTC P0687. Firstly, there could be a short circuit in the wiring associated with the AF sensor heater circuit. This type of issue occurs when wires become damaged or exposed, causing them to inadvertently connect to power. Secondly, the relay circuit board may be faulty. This board is responsible for routing power to various components, including the AF sensor heater. If it malfunctions, it won't deliver power as needed. Lastly, the AF sensor itself might be malfunctioning, resulting in an inability to heat properly and consequently sending incorrect data to the engine control module. Each of these causes should be considered during troubleshooting to accurately resolve the issue. DTC P0687 can present several symptoms that help in diagnosing the issue. One common symptom is a noticeable decrease in vehicle performance. Drivers may experience sluggish acceleration or reduced efficiency as the engine struggles to adjust to the incorrect air-fuel ratio readings. Additionally, increased emissions may trigger a warning light, indicating that the vehicle is producing pollutants exceeding acceptable limits. Another major indicator of this issue could be the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, prompting the need for diagnostics to determine the underlying problem. Monitoring these symptoms can guide technicians in effectively identifying and addressing the issues tied to DTC P0687. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0687 is to perform initial verification of the problem. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which activates the electrical systems without starting the engine. Use the HDS, or Honda Diagnostics system, to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. Once cleared, start the engine and check for any pending or confirmed DTCs again through the HDS. If the DTC P0687 appears once more, that indicates a confirmed failure. If it does not reappear, an intermittent issue may be present. In such cases, it's important to inspect for poor connections or loose terminals at key components, including the relay circuit board, the AF sensor, and the powertrain control module, PCM. Thorough troubleshooting must follow to effectively identify the cause. After confirming the DTC P0687, move on to the second troubleshooting step, which focuses on checking the relay circuit board. Begin this process by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode to ensure safety. Then, you will need to remove the relay circuit board from the vehicle. This component plays a crucial role in distributing power to various systems, including the AF sensor. Once removed, test the relay circuit board to determine whether it is functioning properly. If the relay circuit board is found to be faulty, it must be replaced to resolve the issue. However, if it tests positively, this eliminates the relay board as the source of the problem, allowing you to progress to the next step in the troubleshooting process. The third step involves a thorough inspection of the wiring that connects the AF sensor. This begins with disconnecting the AF sensor 6P connector, which is essential for accessing the electrical connections without interference. With the connector removed, the next task is to measure the voltage between the specified test points. Ensure the vehicle is in the off or lock mode, as the relay circuit board should remain removed. The first test point involves the relay circuit board connector, specifically terminal number 1, while the second test point is connected to body ground. If there is any voltage present, this indicates a short to power in the FI sub-RLY out IGPS wire running between the relay circuit board and the AF sensor. Should this condition exist, repair the short circuit to restore normal functionality. In the fourth step of troubleshooting DTC P0687, continuity testing is performed, which helps identify issues specifically related to the PCM or powertrain control module. Start by jumping the SCS line using the Honda Diagnostics system, while also ensuring to wait for more than a minute as required. Following this, disconnect the PCM connector number 1, which has a total of 96 pins. With the PCM disconnected, check continuity between specified test points. Test point 1 corresponds to terminal number 16 of the PCM connector, and test point 2 connects to body ground. If any voltage is detected during this check, this indicates a short to power in the AF-HT wire that runs between the PCM and the AF sensor. Should this condition occur, it is essential to repair the affected wire. If no voltage is found, ensure to check for any service bulletins related to the DTCs or symptoms. And consider substituting a known good PCM for further testing. Once repairs have been made, conducting a final verification is critical to ensure that the DTC P0687 issue has been resolved effectively. Begin this process by clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics system. After clearing, take the vehicle out for a test drive under various conditions to ensure that normal operation has returned. During the test drive, it is necessary to monitor the vehicle's performance and observe if any warning lights activate. After the drive, recheck the DTCs with the HDS to ensure that DTC P0687 has not reappeared. Successful completion of this verification step indicates that the issue has been properly diagnosed and repaired, and ensures the vehicle will perform efficiently moving forward. Implementing preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding the recurrence of issues like DTC P0687 in the future. Start with regular inspections of the vehicle's wiring systems to detect any signs of wear, damage, or corrosion. Checking the relay circuit board periodically will help ensure that power distribution to components like the AF sensor remains uninterrupted and reliable. Additionally, keeping the AF sensor in good health is vital. This includes understanding its operational principles and being aware of any performance changes over time. Routine checks can help identify any potential issues before they escalate. Ultimately, enhancing the vehicle's longevity and reliability while preserving optimal performance and emission standards. In conclusion, understanding the role of the AF sensor and the implications of DTC P0687 is critical for vehicle performance and emissions control. Methodically following the troubleshooting steps helps streamline the diagnostic process, allowing for efficient identification of the root cause of problems. Each diagnosis and repair step has been designed to confirm the integrity of components related to the AF sensor and its circuit, making it essential to adhere closely to the outlined procedures. Furthermore, performing regular preventive maintenance can help mitigate similar issues from arising in the future, ensuring a smoother operation for the Honda Civic. By maintaining awareness of these components and performing vigilant checks, both performance and compliance with emission standards can be maintained effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.